Welcome to Hashu'z world. Are you confused to read time? Here is the trick. I will make it easy for you with these two paper plates. Let's do it. Take two paper plates like this and fold it. We are folding these papers to make the markings. We need to make this plate into 12 parts. So I am folding it to make it easy. Take a pencil and mark on the foldings. See, you will get it like this. I am using a sketch pen to make the lines bold. Now we have 12 portions, right? We should write 1 to 12 in each portion. Cut the paper on lines till the number. Now stick both the plates in the center as shown. Do you know 5 table? That's it. It will be easy to read time. 5 ones are 5. So I am writing 5 under 1. 5 twos are 10. So I am writing 10 under 2. Similarly, you should write 5 table under each number. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, 5 twelves are 60. But 60 means 1 hour. So we will write 0, 0. Now I am coloring the clock. This is for hours hand and this is for minutes hand. See, I have used radium color papers so that we can even see these at night. Now poke a hole to these hands and the clock. I am using this twisting wire. Usually we get this for earphones or packages, right? So I am reusing this. I am tying all this together with this wire. It looks like this. How is the clock? Make sure your hands are moving. See how the hands are glowing in night. Our clock is ready. It is damn easy to read time with this. Now let us see what is the time. The hours is on 1 and the minutes is on 6. 6 means 30. So the time is 1:30. Let's see another example. Now the hours is on 12 and the minutes is on 5. 5 means 25. So the time is 12:25. If you enjoy this, please like, share and subscribe to Hashu'z World. Hope this is useful and interesting. Thank you for watching.